Greetings po sa inyo lahat at ako po ay nagbabalik ulit para sa live streaming ng ating cryptocurrency update. Uh, it's not just only for Bitcoin, it's also for other uh, crypto coins as well. Ngayon, ang kaabang-abang po natin sa mga oras na to ay yung Bitcoin because I'm going to tell you that it's already very, very far to happen about the dump right now. Why? Ito po kasi yung nakita ko. Other crypto bloggers are also saying the same thing na kino-confirm ko na po sa inyo na malabo na po itong bumaba. Ngayon po ang nakikita po dito, ah, madami po tayong nakikitang formation ng W pattern. Mga W pattern na to or tinatawag po din natin itong double bottom. However, there are some cases na hindi lang double bottom ang nakikita natin, kundi triple or even quadruple bottom. Ano pong nangyayari? Pagka po meron po tayong double bottom, we are expecting that it will be pumped on the upside. And if it's double top, then it's the other way around. It's the inverse. Ngayon po, we don't see any double top, not even a triple top here. Even if we try to zoom out on the bigger picture like this one, right from this point of time at around January 14, we don't see any of the double top. But now, it's the other way around. We are able to see multiple double bottom. So, ang nangyayari po ngayon sa BTC, we are able to see much more greater chances that it will blow up to the upside. Right now, we don't trade just yet on the double bottom because it does not able to reach or even break the neckline of the double bottom. And we are right now currently at the price of 33,500. And now the slope of the double bottom, I'm going to tell you how much it will be. If we try to compute the from the neckline to the bottom of the double bottom, then we are going to compute it already how much far it will go. On the first attempt of the double bottom right here, we are able to see as far as this line, even if the computed value of the double bottom is already right above here. We have already the chance to get back to the almost to the new all-time high or to the current all-time high, but it was been declined because of the RSI and the declining resistance or the dynamic resistance. So yung second attempt naman po ng double bottom, it did not reach as far as able to break this line, this double about this dynamic resistance. So therefore, right now we are already on the apex of the descending triangle, and right now we have seen the third attempt of another double bottom. Actually, it's not just double bottom. I count it as quadruple bottom already. And right now, just 4 hours ago, we thought, or I myself thought that it will be rejected from this line and then goes down. But now, it's a confirmation that this one holding its support line around here. If we try to put in a line down here, Let me put in a line. Just around here. Yeah, this one. This support line has already confirmed to be strong, and it's not going to break down beyond anymore. So therefore, this green line is already breaking the neckline, or I mean this green candle at the moment right now is already penetrating to break the neckline. And if you break the neckline, then that's already confirmed to be a breakout. So what will be the starting trade for me? In this case, I'll select the 34,000, or at least 34,500 to start for the long position. Now, if we try to break this line, we are going to get back. We are going to get back as far or even higher than this current all-time high, 42,000. We are going to get back right there, but we are going to start our retracement from 42,000. So yan po, no, ko-confirm ko lang po, pag nag-breakout po ito, mataas ang volatility, it will go as near as 42,000, medyo bebuelo po diyan, mag-accumulate, then goes up again towards 44 or even higher, at most like 47 or something like that, 47 or 48. So I try to recompute the graph here. I mean the line, the trend lines, but it could go way back. I mean it could go way beyond 47 at least. Uh, and also the EMA ribbon here, the EMA ribbon are already confirming that it was a failed to attempt to go down. This thick red line that I created for the weighted moving average, it failed to go down. The blue line, the smooth, the SMA chart line here is failed to go up. So therefore, it's going to intersect again, and it will be turning right. I mean, this will meet as far as 34,500 something. So kapag nag-meet na po siya, what I usually do in this case, if I'm going to use a swing trade and a scalping combination, I want the blue line and the red line to intersect. So pag nag-intersect po yung weighted moving average and yung smooth moving average, uh, I usually look already on the chart of MACD and the RSI, and stochastic as well. Or in some applications, they call it as KDJ or stochastic oscillator po yun. Doon po magsisimula yung long position sa swing. Pag in case naman po ng scalping, i-disregard po natin yung MACD at yung RSI. Ang may iwan po ay yung SMA, WMA, EMA, or if you're using MA pa rin, okay lang din. And together with stochastic. So, yun po, no. Parang kung aakyat na po siya, kasi ang tendency po ng scalping na pwedeng maging swing trade is depende po sa ating bearish or bullish trend run. So, ngayon po, ang nakikita po natin, we're going to use for now as hybrid trading, which is combination of scalping and yung swing trade. Kasi medyo pasimula pa po, tapos hindi pa po tayo nakaka-meet do sa starting point ng ating trade, which is around this 34,000 level. Probably by tomorrow or the next day, kung patuloy pa rin po ang takbo nito, sigurado po na uh, tataas po ito. Then let me give you a little bit zoom in with the 1 hour time frame to confirm that it's also the same case. Yan po. So, yung pong kinompute ko po sa 1 hour time frame to see the multiple double bottom or multiple bottom, I see it already that this is the first attempt to break out to the upside. Then I'll put the color yellow, or let's see, orange will do. This is the first attempt. It was a little bit successful. This is a little bit successful, but it failed on the part of the resistance, which is from this point at around 41,000. Then a second attempt. Second attempt started around here. It failed this time around. Totally it failed. From the dynamic resistance. And since we know that if we see a multiple rejection from the resistance, the tendency of the trend will go down. We saw that. Then we even tried to reach as far as 29,000, but it was rejected from the 29,000 support line. Though we see a little bit here that there's a small wick here. Uh, it is not counted as part of the trend. Although it shows that it goes there, but it does not count as part of the trend. So it was rejected. Then we are able to see a pump right here. So we go back inside to the descending triangle, and then we start to see already this pattern, the W pattern, or well, I can call this as multiple bottom already. So na-sustain niya po yung volume within this descending triangle. But if we try to look as this part right now, I'll put in a brush here and color it as white. If we try to color it white right here, let's see. Yeah, much better. Yep. Okay. So if we try to look it this way around, itong part ng uh, I'll I'll set it as 3.2 because the 3.1 here right here, we are able to successfully bounce back from the support, and we go back right here inside the descending triangle. Then we are able to see right now that the descending triangle with the trend inside the descending triangle has been sustained by the multiple bottom. Now the multiple bottom is already on the apex of the descending triangle here in Bitcoin, not just in 1 hour but also in the 4 hour time frame as well. It goes way above this line. Ngayon, so now we are able to see that the latest candle around here is already able to break the dynamic resistance. It started approximately right here at 33.2 thousand. but it's not a good trade just yet because right now we are already able to see a double bottom. Therefore, we're going to trade from the start of the neckline of the double bottom or multiple bottom already. So if we try to start from the 33,615 level, that's already a good start for the long position. But for me, I would wait for more, at least at around 34,000. From the 34,000, then that's good already enough for me. Kasi hindi na po siya bababa muli. Sa, in short, sa mga susunod na araw, we are able to see bull market run. We are able to see all altcoins are already moving to the upside as well, but yet it's not yet dominant for Bitcoin. We are able to see altcoin season just yet because it's still below 64. But let me give it a few update right now. Let's see if it's able to meet 64% here. I don't think so. Yeah, it's still not yet, but we are already close to 64. The Bitcoin dominance is already currently at 63.7. So if it reaches already 64, then we are already on the good side. That Bitcoin is already on the long position, and a lot of traders are going to come in for trading, whether that's going to be spot or futures. Uh, at least the volume will increase for Bitcoin. I even tried to compute the Heiken Ashi model of Bitcoin, and it shows the same pattern: multiple bottoms, because it's not just one or two. Um, it's a lot. If you can see it already on screen, I can give you the information or the source of the link that I'm gonna show you. I'll publish this the trending analysis as well online. That I see already multiple bottom uh, on the 4-hour time frame, even in the Heiken Ashi model of Bitcoin. So for those people who doesn't know about Heiken Ashi is a little bit rare to use as for trading techniques, but this is one way of knowing if the trend is going down or going up. Kasi there's some situations that the normal candlesticks are showing green, but it's on the downside. Hakenashi is going to confirm if it's going to be a red still or a green one. Medyo magulo po yan. Mahaba, it's a very long discussion on the comparison between the usual candlesticks versus the Heiken-Ashi model. If you are good in Heiken-Ashi model, then that's good. You're already a good trader. But for newbies, I don't recommend just yet to learn Heiken-Ashi uh, without learning about the techniques using the candlesticks. So now here in the Heiken-Ashi model, it shows the same pattern of multiple bottom towards the descending triangle. And right now, the Heiken-Ashi model is already breaking out to the upside as well, confirming that in the next hour, the uh, the trend of the Bitcoin market is on a bull market right now. And giving an update right now, timestamp 8:47 Philippines Manila time. Bitcoin dominance is already on the 63.8. Still more, uh, it's what I'm going to say is just a little bit more and we're already there. The Bitcoin right now on this price is already 34,000. 34,000 on the trend right now. So still a little bit more for me. I need to wait for 34,500 or at least 34,400, let's say. Then I'm going to start trade already. Uh, because what the volume right now on the PVT chart is showing. I'll go back to a PVT chart here. Let me see here PVT chart. Uh, Let me see here the PVT chart, and it's a little bit lagging right now. Even the depths are already going on the green side right now for Bitcoin. As I can see right now on the screen, it's a little bit unbalanced. Yet the one who's winning is already the green side, the long position. So we'll see what comes next. Let me go with the volume. Let's see. While waiting, probably some delay from their server on getting 494 milliseconds of ping here. I was about to say some information that Bitcoin, even though I'm expecting today that it will start to move up, and it seems to be it's going to move up right now anytime soon. It might not be by tomorrow, but it will still gonna. I mean, what I'm going to say is that not tomorrow, but now. It's going to start right now. So right now, currently price at 34.2. Still a little bit more. Let's see something. Still lagging. Hmm. Let me check on my other device to see what's going on with the volume by now. Uh, MACD is already confirming a good side of trade. It's already on the green side. MACD signal is already going towards above the MACD histogram. So right now the question is the volume. Right now the volume is not too much yet. It's just a so-so kind of volume for now. Hmm. But the stochastic oscillator is already on the upside. So therefore, we are able to see uh, an incoming huge volume anytime now. That's what I'm seeing right now. We need to penetrate and break the 34,300. So, yun pa lang po. Hintayin po natin yon. Once na break na po natin yung 34.3, then it's up to you to start the good trade or not. But for me, I'm still gonna wait. Although, let's see it here. In the EMA ribbon, 60-day EMA, it's already right above the purple 60 days EMA chart line. So probably this is already a good start. For the Ethereum case, Ethereum is already started yesterday to pump, and I was able to say that the depth of the Ethereum is unbalanced towards the green side as bull market run, and there's no but here. There's no but there I would like to add something up. There's no negative comment for this because we are able to meet already the retracement and towards again to the next side, which is gonna be the zero point 0.5 retracement level, which is 1,478. So we have already met the uh, the new all-time high. The first ever Ethereum has break its previous all-time high for the past years already. Not sure how many, but if I recall it correctly, it's around 4 years from its previous current all-time high. I mean, the current all-time high has already been a new one, which is this level, 1,483 approximately. Ngayon pa lang po, we are able to see more than what it has given today. Kasi tingnan niyo po ito, no? This is January 24, US time po ito. US time. So it happened just now, January 25, Philippine time, na ang ating pong oras ay umabot na ng 1,469 US dollars ang Ethereum. Per Ethereum po, $1,469. So, napakalaki po ng trend niya. We are retracing right now here in this level at 0.618 level, which is yung 61% chance of retracement niya at this level, which is 1,425 US dollars. The good thing is that it did not go down as I'm expecting, that it's not going to go back to the floor. So we are going to see more and more of these in the past. I mean, it's on the coming days or hours, depending already on the market. We are able to see as far as this zero point 0.5. Then the next is the golden pocket ratio right now at 30.2 chance of retracement here at the level of 1,536. So doon po, if we are already seeing 1,536 or 1,520 to be at least, uh, it's it's our decision already to take it or leave it. Yun po, no? And let me see the volume. Let me see the volume here. Volume is just as Bitcoin. It's a bit so-so, but the PBT chart is very, very good. It's very good. So let's go back to Bitcoin and see if I can refresh it. All right, let's see. Going back to XRP. I was waiting for XRP to pump up as well, but I don't see any effect just yet. Hmm. Oh. pumped a little bit. The 24-hour change has pumped a little bit on XRP, being the lowest of the crypto. Yet this is the cheapest one. Now let's see. Still lagging. Current price of Bitcoin is already at 34.2. Volume trades are very high in the green side. Some are already starting by 34,199 to go on the long position by now. Anyway, let's see. Let me see here for further updates. Hikinashi is already given a good signal to break out right now at 34.5 or 34.7 approximately. Let me see here the FGI. Yeah. Oh, in the past few hours this day, the fear and greed index was in the sell. Uh, this time around, it's already on neutral, and I think it's going to go to the buying position. So we'll see in a few hours how long it will take to maintain its neutral, or will it go back to sell or not? I don't know what's happening, but it should be able to refresh. Because I need the volume. Nevertheless, let's see right here in the original. Hmm. No such movement until the last candle in the XRP. It shows a little bit moving towards right here. It's going to break this line at, let's see, this is at the level of 0.28. It's trying to break 0.28 by now, but I do hope it's going to be more better in the coming hours from now. Let me see the original back to BTC. Good. It's a little bit far more better right now. The The candle of the 4 hour time, the 1 hour time frame has already closed as a strong green. So let me check here in the 4 hour. I believe it's still running on the same candle. Let me check here for the 4 hour candle again. Volume is very high right now. There's a lot of ping here in the network. Volume trade right now is already at 609.5 million. This is terms of million. So around exactly, this is already billions of volume coming in and out. So are we going to meet here the 200k volume just yet in the next day? So that's the pending question for now. Because if that happens to be, then we're going to able to see 48k as soon as possible. Right now, well, let's see here. I'll wrap things up right now since the 24-hour change of the Bitcoin that was earlier, it was red. This time around, it's already green. So the market has already confirmed that the bear market has already closed. It's going to be bull market again. We're going to wait and see. I'll just say that I'll wait for the 34,500 and start the trade. The target will be, or I mean, the target profit will be around 46,000 or $47,000 for Bitcoin. I do hope that you like this video, and if you do, kindly please leave a like, share, and subscribe, or even comment if you wanted to. Feel free to leave a comment, and I would like to appreciate the your being part of this cryptocurrency community. Thank you so much.